Kube is now a luxury. Oh, Ghana. Kube is now a luxury. Yeah, hustler sent to me. Aha. They say Kube. They say Kube crash size abemu. Say Kube no size abem.
The rise in the cost of food, Enye joke. From aduane bia wo ne say na metono 10 cedis last year and now last 2 years, last 3 years, for say in the last 5 years. Market ya de enkoe, but say aduane no atum ko be 600%. A street food.
One thing I am very important. Ewa mind be money say. Okay, Emily, thank you. Say o mind no ye ko enim. Na economy no ye better. We are expecting to say the life of the citizens be better. That is the essence of saying say the government is doing well, things are getting better. Now say oh mind be mo. Now government na buy no catch or they be say oh we are doing well, things are getting better, exchange rate and all those back and forth. But one kasa our citizen no. You look at your life, you look at your income, you look at your expenditure, and you cannot per se pinpoint say indeed your life is becoming better. Then we have a big problem on our hands. You have a big problem on our hands. If the only people who can testify say the country is getting better are the politicians who are in power, and you and I who are citizens, we cannot feel any effect. Say see the nucleus rules, say we can't see, you can't feel any effect. Ebusianfo, and there's wahala. But me na poet saying there's a serious wahala. Now Ebusianfo, this is where we are getting to, or we have gotten to now under this John Dramani Mahama-led government. Under this John Dramani Mahama-led government, Ebusianfo, I can tell you, say, the price, food has become very, very, very expensive. Biane. Food has become very, very expensive under John Dramani Mahama. Ebusianfo, last year, December last year. Ukoto wachia. Ukoto wachia. 25 cities. You are good. Last year. Ukoto wachia 25 cities. Ukoto wachia. I used to buy wachia 8 cities. Ghana Jollof says that. So it's only about Menapo you saw, right? And then Ghana Jollof only me was semana. I said, "Oh, Angelo, thanks for liking." Okay, last year December, Ukoto watch here 8 cities, Gary 1 city, spaghetti 1 city, egg now 3 cities. So with 25 cities, you should be able to get food and eat. Ebusianfo, say there, I have stopped eating wache. Yeah, right now they're watching them in Dibio. Because our whole Volta region, to eat wache now, you need 40 Ghana cedis under John Mahama. So but the wache or John Mahama by way, mua, 40 Ghana cedis. If you don't have 40 Ghana cedis, forget about it. And see, every time I want to say, how many people will be able to afford watching 40 Ghana cedis? Just say, you want to buy watching 5 times in a week. 40 times 5, 200. And see, every week, be 200 cedis. Watch breakfast, no, because Ghana had a breakfast. Meanwhile, our minimum daily minimum wage is standing at 19 cedis. She said, Juma Bia will income. The least, And there are people who are taking that, just that list, that 19 cities a day. That is the list they are taking. So you are taking 19 cities a day as your minimum daily minimum wage. Now watch your person who didn't cramp on watching the 40 Ghana cities. And your mama by way. And it's last year you thought watching 25 cities. Now it's midi. Now a big cracker. Now 8 months, 9 months in power. John Mahama. They say watching the 40 cities now better than Obedia. Atana me. You don't come and tell me say things are getting better. Nothing is getting better. Nothing absolutely is getting better. Say gobe anchor for I mean say the only scacra hustler say then cry there at least last year 10 cents you can buy gobe and buy at least some 2 or 3 cocoa on it. Last hoha mi me koto gobe. When I mentioned that mpe gobe no 10 cedis now let's add some 2 plantains to it. The lady was watching me some way. And I'm saying, aden or say plantain baku no cocoa baku toto gobe no cocoa baku no 2 cedis. Gobe no. Cocoa baku bia plantain, the small one that they cut no baku bia baku bia 2 cedis. Plantain no. Plantain no. I will go no baku bia 2 cities. Now gobenu sunu gobeni angwano sunu. Now they don't fetch less than 8 cities. Don't fetch less than 8 cities. So gobeno. Say when you go and buy gobe and they are giving you Gary. Ghana Jollof says that Ghana is hard though. He said, "Koto gobe na yema ogari krana na gobe ran na nebufu." I say, "Onya kranka gari no, she will count it one by one and count it for you." Say, cook. You see, ewa krakra there. Friend is saying, planting here 5 cities. Big Sam says things are not getting any better. Frankly speaking, the cost of food to say there. And he said, me say things are getting better. Me do I mean I say because the basic thing I had Driani is going up and up and up and up. Say Thank you for people who are confirming the comment section. Miss Saba says that they say a plantain 3 for 10 cedis. Ukoto gobeno. Cocoa also no. 3 for 10 cedis. Hey! And you say gobe has become a luxury. Gobe no say I luxury. Gobe hustlers for ye biane no. They say I luxury because crack 20 cedis I want to me the gobe. And that is even whole Volta region. Real Caliber says things are now getting worse. Watch it, 40 Ghana cities. Only 40 Ghana cities. I forget about it. Last week I said, watch it. Me see, watch it 12 cities. My minister there be, we start from 15. So say, hey! Watch it no. Now, they say they're omitting from 15 Ghana cities. They say, hey, Radibuame. Gary, yento Gary 1 city. Bi unkoto watch it. Usupe Gary 1 city. Yento Gary 1 city. They say you're from 3 Ghana cities. Gary no. Gary ayedi angwano. Misi keke no. You see, 3 cities. Gary no 3 cities. Now, so 3 cities you crampo no. Who are warm? You can count the Gary. You can count it. So, things are just. I mean, I always maintain. They said, "Oh, mine, I say they have left the country on autopilot mode." To the extent, say, Busianfo, and now AYɛKa no, Ghana is importing carrot. Now we are importing carrot. Ghana is now importing carrot. Under John Dramani Mahama. And do you know where we are importing the carrots from? We are importing carrots from Morocco. When Akufo-Addo came and we started doing planting for food and jobs, we had all manner of things. Hey, I say lead yourself is 20, 25 cities. Hey, and I said post-pay go to me Tobium. Hey, same big cranny. And the post-pay also say 25 cities. Hey, I say when then say we there. Say we there say boy so mundi biom. That's just by the way. But Ebushanfo is sad. It is sad. So we are now importing carrots from Morocco. And we know, if you know any table of geography, you say West Africa, who calls through more of a desert, the Saharan desert. And if a country, should be importing those things, vegetables, from another, it should be Morocco importing from Ghana, not Ghana importing carrots from Morocco. And it's all because we have a government that does not have any plan whatsoever. This NDC government, they have no plan. And it looks as though last year, now campaigning, now win election. So they were campaigning to lose. So all they were preparing for was how to cause chaos, trouble after the election. Because now more say election on berry. NDC for no. So when it comes to chaos, they prepared well for it. But as to how to govern the country, they did not prepare for that one. They did not prepare for it. NDC4 did not prepare for how to rule or govern this nation. They did not prepare. They didn't. And it's quite some way. Obapa says that carrots from Morocco. Hey, NDC, why? Yeah. That is it. We are importing carrots from Morocco. And only God knows the other stuff we are importing from elsewhere. Because this government does not have a plan. This NDC government does not have a plan. It is like their victory took them by surprise. John Mahama's victory took him by surprise. He didn't know he would win. It shocked him that he won. So now that he has to come and sit down and come and think his way around. How do I do this? How do I do this? How do I do this? And despite all the advices he might be getting, he's getting it all wrong. He say Calipo, my favorite drink. They say Calipo, no credit. They say 6 cedis. Calipo, no, 6 cedis. Last year, Calipo was 4 cedis, 50 pesos. This year, Calipo, 6 cedis. Miss Saba, well done. Calipo say 6 cedis. Calipo 6 cedis. The production price of Calipo has gone up, but they are claiming and a dollar has come down, CD has gone up, dollar has come down, CD has gone up, but the foods items are going up, and then Millicent rice up. Obapa is saying it carrots from Morocco. Hey, and you see why? Yeah, Millicent rice, the price has gone up. Peacock rice, price na kosro. Gino, price has gone up. Almost everything, the price are just going up. Kube for Kube Ra, Kube CEO is here. Misaba Kube say Kube I don't know saying. Misaba, please answer this in the comments. Kube no say I don't know say Baku is saying. Misaba say everything is expensive now. Yeah. Coconut they say you're saying. Misaba, Baku is saying. How much are they selling the retail? Coconut, Kube say the small is 8 cedis and the big is 10 cedis. Kube. Now my did to the extent that now Kube now they are looking at sizes. Hey, they are looking at Kube size now. 8 cedis. I think I bought it from who here. It was 7 cedis or so. Kube that used to be 3 cedis, 4 cedis. So coconut. So now you cannot even be happy small and want to entertain or rejoice your soul a little bit with kube nsuo debi. Groundnut, everything is becoming expensive. And when we say the reply is kwen, when we say the reply is kwen na no mukachire. All because this NDC government did not prepare. Future says, I bought 3 today. 1 is 4 cities. Okay. This NDC government did not prepare for governance. They didn't prepare.
Oh.
Okay.
Ufri Algeria hono enkankenye a problem. Say MPP for yako Morocco and also so be Algeria. Problem. Ufri Algeria and also ba Morocco. Now some be catch them say, "Wo so ube boa wo no so asase no maji."
Hey, foreign minister.
Me say ade na wo ye no. Enye ne kwanso no no. Yen ko ha ma ha yen keka nkrofo ti o ma mienu ti ebom
sa.
Eni raise Togo ade yin so. Eni e kan cheap embedded pepe menne. Look, enra me wo committee back near Walisa. Your friend is saying state interest committee. Passport for ebehia. Clearly, me catch obia NDC ni bia say omumra me catch say chip embedded passport no they move the finger, nobody could come till now. Bibia wo bia ye. In fact, we imported or we ordered for 250,000 passport booklets. Chip embedded now mulanchi and chip before obe order for booklets no, it takes 6 months for the booklet to get to Ghana.
Hey,
yes,
as about printing.
When you order, the supplier takes 6 months to bring the books to Ghana.
Wow.
Yes. Until over 3 months now, launch chip embedded. No your books no ever.
Say be fast track even.
Fast track time on no opposition nana. So be what chip embedded no na ya to. So be kaya ya printing become my chief of staff. Ya printing become my Kufuor ni ade.
Yeah.
Kufuor passport chip embedded.
Publications no. Yeah.
So everything was us. And I made it Togo ade account. Togo ade nkra made account. I gave suggestions. I gave protocols. Me kai honorable upon Makra frames me who Togo ade no a why no. I think it's a good thing. Can you do a podcast on it?
Okay.
Na nipa ni who the point you are raising on Togo. Minister Iba Parliament eba be answer question on this Togo matter. Or say aden tina minim se me busa ni Togo asem no na me koye press conference ansa na me ba be bisa no question.
Oku de to abla
Oh.
Hey, anyone so wo dwini wo.
See another videos no ho. Aden na me koye your friend minim se me bisa no question. Na me koye press conference ansa na ba be bisa no question.
Oku de to abla all knowing democratic
so me I knew
free thinker.
I knew the minister was not comfortable with me. But my point is that me power job the edikai. Me tosumi you are not doing me a favor.
Debbie.
No, who ye wa juma as minister. Me so me ye me juma, you are not doing me a favor. Say parliamentarians ye tu kwanya. Ye ba ye report Emma speaker. So me kwa me kono me ba be ye me report.
It is a one ko ye.
Answer me ntimi nya bi.
There will be yes one ko. I saw your report say one ko.
Officially next week. I would write to the speaker and copy the majority leader and copy the minority leader on this same matter.
Yes.
Yes, that is the position.
Yeah.
Next week,
I agree with
doing that. Next week, the EBSA, so that officially the matter would get to them.
Of course.
Who said this is what happened. In fact, Speaker, OMP na Okwako representing minority, Minister na mananko, the Speaker must know.
I was for Bosme for a member of Parliament, Nanasa for JI, and Yanini Dinko more has no.